Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting ID so you can start immediately. Use your passport or BRP plus a recent utility or tenancy to prove address. This speeds verification. Once done, note your UK phone and email and your employer's name if asked. You'll need these for forms and appointments. Don't delay on missing documents. Call the helpline to confirm alternatives. This first step prevents rejection and gets you into the next stage quickly and confidently. Next, apply online or call to request an interview. This is the official pathway to receive your national insurance number. You'll pick a job center plus appointment or a remote session. Choose what fits your schedule. Bring all original documents plus copies to prove identity and right to work. If documents are missing, the interviewer can advise but may delay outcome. Once the interview is complete, you'll be told expected timescales and next steps for receiving your number in writing. Finally, wait for the official letter that contains your national insurance number. It arrives by post and must be kept safe. When it arrives, give the number to your employer and confirm with HMRC so you're taxed correctly. If you haven't received it after about 6 weeks, contact the job center or HMRC, provide your interview details, and ask for an update. If identity issues cause delays, obtain the requested documents promptly to resolve the holdup and secure your number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.